Hi Ange, this is lesson 5, air pressure. Everything on earth has a weight, even air. I know it sounds strange, but air has a weight. It's just that we are so used to it that we don't feel it. It presses down on the earth with a force of 1 kilogram per square centimeter. That force is called air pressure. For your vocabulary, you have 3 words today. One is expand, to spread out. The other one is pressure, weight to force upon something. For example, if I would put my hands on your shoulder and press them, I would put weight to force upon something. And then pressurized suit, an airtight suit that can be blown up to keep normal pressure. When your ears pop when you're in an airplane, has that ever happened to you? Have you traveled in an airplane? If you have, then you know that in a moment in the travel, you feel something weird in your ears and you hear a pop, and it feels like you're like becoming deaf and you can't listen really well. But it's just that your ear it's adjusting the pressure that it has inside from the pressure of the air that it's outside of your ear. The higher you fly with your airplane, the less air pressure is pushing down on you. So the captain has to make sure that the pressure of the inside of the plane equals the pressure of the outside of the plane. So they have something special in the plane to do. God created our bodies for the air pressure we would have on Earth. One example of that is that we don't feel it, but when the man went to the moon, they had to wear a pressurized suit, a special suit, because if not, the lack of pressure would hurt him. What does air pressure have to do with weather? When air is next to a warm part of the earth, it expands. Always in nature, with something it's hot, it expands. That means less pressure. And that means that the weather becomes colder. Along a lake or ocean on a warm day, the air over the hot land rises, goes up. It makes room for the heavy water, cool air next door, and it becomes breezy. Another word that we're going to discuss is moisture. Radiation from the sun, changes in temperature, moving air, all play a part in causing the weather. The amount of moisture in the air causes different weather conditions. What is moisture? When it's humedad, when you feel like there are tiny water drops in the air, that is moisture. If you have ever walked in fog, you have been walking actually in a low cloud. Tiny water droplets are all around you. You cannot see very far ahead. Do you like foggy weather? Now that you can think about it, it's actually walking in a low cloud.